Hello everyone. Hola amigos. Join us in just 15 minutes at Paradise Gardens for the storytellers of Plaza de la Familia celebrate the musical world of Coco. The excitement begins in just 15 minutes. Gracias. Hola amigos. Acompáñenos para esta magia sobre 15 minutos en el comienzo del espectáculo The Storytellers of Plaza de la Familia celebrate the musical world of Coco. Toda la emoción empieza en solo 15 minutos. Gracias.
Concha, y échenle un ojo a los pequeñitos. Yo no puedo estar en todas partes.
Push up. Thank you.
My story's not near as interesting as Ariel's. You know Ariel, the mermaid? Ah, what a voice. What a beautiful voice. But let me tell you of an evil sea which tricked Ariel's voice away from it. Oh, this is a great story. First, Ariel found herself. Then, she tried it all again.
the winds of the Caspian Sea. That brings us glossitis, next laryngitis, not virtue to me. I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me Valor Witch. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways, repented, seen the light and made a switch. True, yes. Poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. This one lonely duty that man wants to get the girl and do I help her? Yes, indeed. That's more unfortunate.
Then I see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her, and you don't know why. She dying to try and wanna kiss the girl.
Step out to your left now. There you are. Hope you had a wonderful time. Now, please step out to your left. Goodbye.